guys, Lego Bobby 1 here with another Lego mock, and today, as you can see, is the ice cream. I made a Lego ice cream truck and created some custom 3 minifigures and some accessories here. And yeah, let's get started with the minifigures. Here's a kid minifigure. He has a bike helmet, Classic C bike helmet. He has the blue ice cream. It's like blueberry flavored. The new ice cream holder and the hoodie. There's back printing, brown legs, and has a double-sided face where he's like that. So yeah, that's the kid. Now we get the ice cream driver. He looks a little bit nerdy, and he has the Peter Parker glasses, and here is some black hair. Here's his black hair. He has no back printing on the face, but he does have some back printing here. He has the overalls, and you can see that he is unbuttoned a little there, and blue jeans, and yeah, that's him. And here is the female who sells the ice cream, and she has the straight short hair. There's her face. Okay, so that's what she looks like. There's back printing, no double-side face, but she does have the new torso here and black jeans. So yeah, that's it with the minifigures. And you do get a new ice cream cone. Well, I made it come with another. So yeah. Okay, so let's get to the set. Here is the ice cream truck itself. There is the logo that I just printed and put tape on there and made it taped. And let's get to the cockpit driver area. Take this off. And as you can see, you can fit one driver in there, and and this guy is the driver. You can put him in here. Yeah. Now on to the ice cream. Okay, so here is the best feature of the set, but first you can see chocolate and vanilla here, and then 2 sodas here, because I usually see sodas in ice cream trucks nowadays. But the best part of the set, you could lift it up like that, and you could actually take the female, put her arms like this, fold her legs, but first you have to take this off. 2 pieces come off here. And you could actually fit her in here to sell the ice cream. There's some studs in here. And yeah, she could sit right there. And then you take this piece here, put it back on, put this piece back on, and yeah, so you can see her in there selling ice cream. And the truck has some details too. Has lots of details. So I have a question. Should I put this on Lego Ideas or not? To try and make for Lego set. Should I put this on Lego Ideas or not? Comment below. Let me know, okay? See you guys later.